Hello, so today I will be showing you guys how I created my Quizlet, which I've used it for different classes, using other people's index cards and things as such, but I've never created one myself, so I chose to use this one because it's easy to access for students, even printable, and so I thought this was just a neat form to use. So this is the one I chose for my tier. So first of all, I went ahead and created my document with my questions on it. And the link for the Quizlet is at the bottom in case you need to access that. So I pulled up my questions and did those first. And then I went here to my flashcards. And I believe I can go back here and edit this one. I can create one. We'll just act like I'm creating a new set. And we could title it Houseplant Care. And then what I did is I did my screens half and half. And so I have my questions over here. And what I just did was copy and paste the question. Or if I had a term, I would put the term here and paste it. And you want to make sure you choose English settings for these, and it will go ahead and set that for both sides. So I did that, and then went over here to my definition and copy and pasted my answers here and into my definition. So I did the exact same thing all the way down. And you can create, add photos here. I can even turn off suggestions and different things and such. So if I chose to do a section on identifying houseplants or identifying parts of a plant, I could do a picture here. And so they would automatically have the picture first, and then they could put in the backside the type of plant that it was or the item that I was looking for. So this adds a lot of variety. And when you're done, just hit create. And I will actually go back and show you what mine looks like. So I went ahead and did mine, and here's my thing, so I shared that to you. And you can go through and flip through cards. So what are the basic needs of plants? Know the watering, depths of trees, shrubs, ground covers, and grass. And so it constantly flips through these. So these are awesome. You just flip them over when you're done, and it tells you the back side. So these are all extremely cool, highly recommended. And again, you can test, you can write. There's different attributes in this game you can do, even matching. So it just has a lot of variety. So this is the one I chose to do. Thank you.